Mom, have you heard about E-Girl and Visco Girl? No. Why? Well, because it's going like virtual on TikTok. So I was wondering tomorrow I can go to the store and try out some E-Girl or Visco Girl outfits. I'll think about it. But doesn't mean I said yes. Okay? Now, off to bed, you have school tomorrow. It's like probably 11 or 12, yeah, I just turned 12. So, get to bed. Good night. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Yeah, totally fine. You can think about it. Good night, Mom. I wonder if I can be a Visco girl or E-Girl. I mean, I mostly like the color black. I got to brush my teeth. In my mom's bathroom? Yeah, of course. Okay, done. Okay, now I can go off to bed. I think I'm gonna go in this room. Who's here? Ow! Mom, someone's here. Are you sure someone's there? Yeah, Mom. Okay, I'll go check. See, no one's out there. Just go up to bed. It's like almost the morning time. Okay, I guess you're right. There's actually no one slightly, like, out there, I guess. I guess it was just me. Run, I don't want the dead monster coming. Okay. Finally, I can have my beauty sleep. Oh, okay, it's time to wake her up. It's time to wake up. Oh, and I've made my decidance that you can go to the store and try on some visco stuff and also buy them. Really? Are you crazy? Wait. You must be kidding. What? How? Oh my god. Yes. You're the best mom ever. Okay, out of my way. Hey, don't treat me like that. Uh-oh. Mom, some of our are safe. Oh, don't worry. We're still rich enough. Let me just use here. Brush my hair, and done! Okay, let me just put my brush back, and I need to brush my teeth, because there's, stuff, you know, inking. And done. Clean. I don't think I need to take a shower or a bath. Yeah, I don't. I'll just get my school uniform. Okay. Done. Okay, I really literally love this outfit. Okay, I'll go get my books, and right there. All done. Now I just gotta get my backpack and head off to school. Oh, of course I know how to drive because I just got my driver's license. Okay, Mom's not up. Wait, she is. She should be in the kitchen making my lunch. I see, you have woken up, daughter. I was just packing your lunch there. Okay, so you're gonna have a ice cream, Coca-Cola, a bar, and a sandwich, and an apple. So I hope you enjoy that. Here's a backpack, and yeah, here you go. Thanks, Mom, but I gotta head off to school. I'm not late, but you know, I know how to drive the car. Yeah, I'll get the second one, which is my car, right? Yep, it's your car. Bye, Mom. Why do I have to take all these suitcases to school? So unusual. Well, that's big, but I'm not gonna be using that today. Oh, here's my car. Oh, wait, over where? Oh, I think I don't remember getting a new car, but I guess it works. Oh, it's only one seat. It's fine. Oh, red light. I gotta go. Fast, fast, fast before it turns red. Oh yeah, I can do my visco clothes thing. Oh my gosh, I gotta get it from the bank. Wait, I have school today? No, I don't. But I'm just like this anyways. Oh, actually, I don't have one. Oh well. I can always wash or buy some visco clothes. Hi ma'am, I'm here to buy some visco clothes, please. Well, you're in the right place, ma'am. May I show you the visco and e-girl stuff? And you may also pick an outfit and try it on. Is that good, ma'am? Yes, great. Let me go pick. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Ooh, how about those black ones? Ooh, that pink shirt. Wait, no, this. Oh yeah, bracelets. Yeah, can I try these on? Sure. Okay, where can I try on? Oh, back there. Okay. Let me try this on. First one. OMG, I love this outfit. I'm definitely taking this. Okay, I need to try the other e-girl outfit. And I think I'm more e-girl-ish. Wait, let me try the other e-girl outfits. This is cool. I think I'm gonna take some visco outfits and e-outfits. Let me just speak to her. Register? Can I take, the, e-girl outfits and can I take some e-girl outfits? Visco girl outfits too. Yes, ma'am, that'll be $40. $40? Okay, I'll pay. Here you go. Okay, here you go. Bye. Bye. I'm gonna take these e-outfit homes. Oh, I've been shopping there And now I missed school. Oh, my mom's gonna be mad at me. I'm probably gonna get expelled. Anyways, I want some ice cream, so I guess I better get some. What would you like from the sweetest, what would you like, from Brookhaven ice cream? Yeah, sorry, it's just my first day. Okay, but I would like a bubblegum ice cream, please. Coming right up. Wait, can I just get it by myself? Yeah. Okay, here's some money. Bye. I didn't even need these bags anyways. Anyways, I finished my ice cream. I'm the fastest eater. Oh, where's my mom's car? Oh, probably went out somewhere. Ooh. Oh, I forgot to turn out the radio. Okay, let me just take this outfit off. Okay. Yeah, I don't really like this. I'm gonna put on something more fashionable. And this is